What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB, and today in this video I'm going to create this smooth masking effect. On my timeline I have two different clips. This is the first clip of Tile and this is the second clip of this artist. So for this first clip, the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to duplicate. So you hold the shift on your keyboard, you see guys, is already duplicated. So now move this blue line here on the beginning of this timeline. So go here on this opacity and I'm going to create the cycle mask or ellipse mask. So I'm going to mask this tile, this curl tile, okay, cause my smooth masking transition effect will pass through on it, okay. So that reason why I'm going to create this. I have to, let me try to zoom. I have to mask this tile well as possible, okay. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, maybe this is fine, this is good. Now just let me just decrease just a little bit. Yes, and this one side, okay, must be masked well. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, this is nice. So after masking, so let me come back here on this fit. You see guys, I have already masked my tile. So when you mute this clip which is under the first one, you see I have only tiles only. So the things I'm going to do, so let me just delete this one. So come here on this mask, you select on this first, and then I'm going to track this masking. So guys, you see you have to wait a few little bit. This masking is tracking where I have been masked this tile, okay. So and it depends how long your clip is. So let me just wait a few moments, okay. It's in the progressing, yes. Yes, now it's done. So let me try to see how my mask is overtracked my tile. You see guys how the tile is moving. Let me delete this clip which is under here to the bottom, and then you have to move this one down, okay. You see how my subject is moving. Yes, I'm going to click here on inverted. You see guys, when you click on inverted, I have already received curl without tile. So, and the things I'm going to do, I have to duplicate this layer, okay, because I just want to have one layer for this own curl without having tiles. Other one is for tiles only. So, and I'm going to hold Alt on my keyboard, and then you duplicate, okay. So for this second one, you have to click on inverted. Also, you see guys, I have already received my tile, okay. So this first layer is for only tile, and this is the second one for only curl without having the tile, okay. So the next I'm going to animate. So as I told you, my masking transition will pass through on this tile, but first this tile I'm going to animate by moving it down, okay. Let me try to move up. Yes, maybe, yes. Let me choose here guys, okay. And you have to click here on this tile only. You have to add keyframe for position, okay. Let me try to move just a few seconds, okay. And then I have to move this tile down. So you select those layers, right click here on interpretation, you click easy out. It's like to smooth, okay. So you open up this position setting, and then you have to smooth this keyframe using this graph, okay, something like this. Yeah, that's nice. So when you play guys, you see how my tower is moving down smoothly, okay. You see I have an empty bracket. For this empty bracket, I have to pull this second clip, okay. You see guys, my second clip I have already seeing on it, okay. The things I'm going to do, you have to click the layer of this car, and I'm going to create scale and position for moving or for zooming in. Okay, so I have to add keyframe, and I jump a few frame, just a little bit, and you zoom until you reach on the second clip. Okay, I have to zoom enough as possible until I reach on the second clip. Okay, and until this tile will be disappeared. So, and you have to select those keyframes, right click, temporary interpolation, you click easy out, and then let me play and let's see how it is. When you play, guys, you see how my smooth or masking transition is coming on. Yeah, so, and let me open up these scale settings. Okay, and let me try to smooth it by using this graph. Okay, and for this position too, you have to smooth it something like this. Yes, and when you pray, you see how the things is. Yeah, this is good, guys. This is how you can create this smooth masking transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, for this style, maybe there is some few pieces that I see. So the things I have to do, and I have to use position for moving down. Okay, yes, that's so perfect. So guys, this is how you can create this transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you have any question, please drop it in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Guys, see you in next video. Peace.